Let's dive into how you can manage receiving products either partially or in multiple stages against an inbound order. Head over to your inbound orders, and we'll work with an existing order set up for 5 SKUs in various quantities due at the warehouse. Sometimes clients or their suppliers might not send the entire inventory at once. You can keep receiving inventory as it arrives. Start by selecting Add to Inventory to begin the receiving process. Choose the product you wish to process and enter the quantities. You might fully receive one SKU or partially receive different lines. For example, you might take in 3 of one, 6 of another, and maybe 2 of a different SKU. Once you're done, select Complete Receiving. When you check the Inbound Orders section, the status should update to Partially Received, allowing you to track quantities received against expected ones. If more inventory arrives later, you can revisit the order and hit Add to Inventory. At this point, you can either fill in the remaining quantities or decide to complete receiving all items by selecting Add All Items to Inventory. Confirm your action. Remember, if dealing with perishable products, an error reminder will appear. You'll need to specify the expiry lot for any perishable items received before finalizing the process. After that, you'll notice in inbound orders that the status has changed from partially received to completed. The received quantity is logged against the expected quantity. While we demonstrated a 2-stage process, you can adapt this to as many stages as your inventory arrives from your client.